What's up everybody, and welcome to our first fall-themed Fat Bomb Friday from LahvUs. Fat bombs are an easy way to satisfy that sweet tooth craving while you're on a ketogenic diet. So if that's something that you're interested in, then click the subscribe button and we'll be bringing that to you every single Friday.
I know I'm interested in that.
Today we'll be reviewing a recipe from Leanne Vogel on her Fat Bomb Pumpkin Pie Patties. You can find them on her website, healthfulpursuit.com, and we'll be linking that into the description below. So Alex here is going to go ahead and show you how it's done.
Just a little tip, if you melt your coconut ingredients before you start mixing it together, you're going to have a lot easier time. This is 3/4 cups of coconut butter, a half cup of coconut oil, 25 drops of liquid stevia. You can use 1 pinch to 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we'll be using 1/4 teaspoon. Now we'll take 1/4 cup of this mixture and set it aside for a topping. Now we'll add 3/4 cups of pumpkin puree, 1/4 teaspoon of alcohol-free vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. We'll add in 1 pinch of ground cloves, and then all we have left is mix it up, throw it in our cups, and then throw that in the freezer. Pumpkin patties.
Alright, I want them to hear you like rip off the clothing. Leanne Vogel, you have perfected the pumpkin fat bomb.
This is the 3rd time we've made these. See, the first time we could have done a better video. The 2nd time was for fun.
No, the 2nd time, oh wait, no, we've made this 4 times.
Alright, this is the 4th time we've made this. They are delicious. They look delicious. We can't stop making them. Flavor, what do you give it?
10.
10. Texture.
10.
10.
Recipe. I'll give it an 8.
I give it a 6.
Okay.
It was like a riddle. The first time we bought shredded coconut, and we saw that the first step of the recipe was to turn the shredded coconut into coconut butter. And like, I already had coconut butter, and my food processor isn't that good, so I was just upset that I didn't say that first.
We made this multiple times,
Yeah.
and each time we were still confused. It's still good.
Yeah, it's really good when you get it right. The last biggest problem is that there's not enough of the topping. Like the coconut butter topping, I don't know if it's like because of our own cups, but we've done them in like muffin tins, and we did them in these silicone molds, and it's like you would need a little bit more than double of the topping actually to fill them all out, even like lightly. Don't take it wrong when we say that the recipe was a little confusing, because the recipe was also delicious.
Yeah.
This is something we'll definitely keep making. Like.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be one of our regular like fat bombs. Even when it's not fall, I'm still gonna want to eat this.
Definitely give it a shot. Shout out to Leanne Vogel at I Breathe I'm Hungry.
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks for this fat bomb. Don't forget
to like and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.
Tell us a recipe that you want us to try. Tell us a recipe that you want us to try.
Is that it? Yeah, I think.
LahvUs!
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 I don't have it yet.